Find an equation of the line that satisfies the given conditions, and the answer should be in slope-intercept form. So my line is going through the point -3, 2, and my line is perpendicular to the line y is equal to -1/2 x plus 7. So I want to use point-slope form and then simplify that answer into slope-intercept form. So my x1 is -3, my y1 is 2. Now the slope of this line is -1/2, and I know that the slope of my line is perpendicular to this. So the perpendicular slope is the negative reciprocal. So if I flip 1 over 2, I get 2 over 1, which is just 2. And then this was negative, so mine's going to be positive. So I have y minus 2 is equal to 2 times x minus a minus 3. So let's get rid of that double negative. And then I'm going to distribute the 2. And then add 2. So y is equal to 2x plus 8 is my final answer.